So can you see this WhatsApp page, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today I will discuss what is this? So today I will discuss the four problems that I have already given to you, and that is what mainly based on the previous class notes, where I have discussed from the starting, that is types of matrices, and what are the other things? Equality of matrices, addition, subtraction, multiplication. And from all those parts, I have selected these four questions, and today I will going to discuss these four questions. Okay, so the first question is what? Find the values of x, y, z, and a. These are the unknowns which satisfies the matrix equation. Okay, a matrix equation is given to you, and from this matrix equation you can see that from for both left hand side and right hand side contains a matrix. Okay, and if you just see, the left hand side matrix is of order what? 2 by 2. Fine, because two rows, two columns are there in the left hand side matrix, and in the right hand side matrix also, what the matrix contain of order 2 by 2. That is, two rows and two columns are there. Okay, so from this matrix equation, we have to find the values of the unknowns, that is x, y, z, and w. Okay, so from this, what can you say? That the given matrices are equal. Why we can say that? Because I already told that when you can say that the matrices are equal, two or more matrices are said to be equal only when they are of the same order. मेन थिंग इज दैट. सो यहाँ में तुम लोग देख सकते हो दोनों जो मैट्रिक्स दिया हुआ है दोनों का ऑर्डर सेम. Okay, this is the left hand side matrix is of order 2 by 2, and the right hand side matrix is of also order 2 by 2. So from here we can directly say that the given matrices are equal. Now what is the second condition for equality of matrices? अगर तुम लोग का दोनों मैट्रिक्स का अगर ऑर्डर सेम हो गया, so what is the next condition to be satisfied? Next condition to be satisfied is corresponding elements of the matrices are equal. That is the next condition. ओके, ऑर्डर के बाद वो कंडीशन देखना हो कि ऑर्डर सेम होने के बाद वो दो मैट्रिक्स है उन दोनों का करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट सेम होना है. So for this, that's why I have written that the given matrices are equal. Therefore, we can say corresponding elements which one? See, for the left hand side, the first matrix is first element of the matrix is what? X plus 3. So that is इसका corresponding element क्या हो गया? Second matrix का 0. So equality matrix का condition fulfill होने के लिए we have to do what? X plus 3 equal to 0. That's why I have written X plus 3 equal to 0. So from there, you can directly find the value of x, that is equals to minus. Similarly, the other elements also, that is 2y plus x is equals to minus 7. That is again a corresponding element. So from here, 2y plus x equal to minus 7. So if you just plot the values of x and simplify, you will have the values of y. That is nothing but equal to minus 2. Fine. Similarly, the other corresponding elements are also z minus 1 equal to 3, and from there z equal to 4, and what 4a minus 6 equal to twice a. So from that a equal to 3. somebody's microphone is still not be muted. So I request the students to mute your microphones. So in this way, we can find the values of the unknowns which are placed in the what matrix equations. Now, हम लोग को जो ये चार वैल्यू मिला है, you can check that these values of the what unknowns are right or wrong. How? You just put the values in the matrix equation. X equal to -3. If you put in this matrix equation here, you can see -3 plus 3 is what? 0. So 0 is equal to 0. Fine. So what is the value of y? Y equal to -2. Put it over here. 2 into -2 is -4 plus x ka value -3. So -4 plus -3 is -7. You can see. Okay. The value of z equals to what? 4. You put it over here. 4 minus 1 equals to 3. That is corresponding element. Then 4a minus 6. A ka value 3 hai. 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. So a ka value 3 hai. So 6. 6 equal to 6. So in this way, you can verify the values of the unknowns by plotting the values in the matrix equation. Very simple. इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन एक आ सकता है शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन में, ठीक है? Okay. Then next question I'm going to discuss about the addition and subtraction problem that I have already discussed in the last class, that how you add or subtract two matrices or how can you multiply a scalar with a matrix. So इसका application base का एक problem दिया गया है इधर, that is this one. Yeah. Is this page is visible? Hello? Hello? Is this page is visible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So you can see here,
Yes.
what is given to you? Given two matrices are given. Okay. If A equal to this matrix, B equal to this matrix. Now tell me, what are the order of the matrix A and B? मतलब A में कितना रो कितना कॉलम है?
3 by
A
3.
contains, yeah, 3 by
3 by
3.
3.
3 by 3. Similarly, B is also a matrix of order 3 by 3. So what you have to find out? We have to find out the value of 2A plus 3B, and in one more case, 3A minus 4. Now see, 2A plus 3B, you can find it out by doing in a single way, or you can do it by a separate method. That means I mean to say, twice A का value पहले निकाल लेते हैं, उसके बाद 3B का value निकाल लेते हैं, then you add them. Okay, so now you can see twice A equal to 2 into A का value put कर दिया 0 to this 0 to 0 1 0 3 1 1. Now you can see 2 into this matrix. So 2 is a scalar. The matrix is given here. So the scalar 2 is multiplied to the matrix. Now what is the rule for multiplication? क्या रूल था? जो स्केलर है वो एवरी एलिमेंट मैट्रिक्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा, ठीक है? What is the rule of scalar multiplication? The scalar is to be multiplied to all the elements of the matrices. देखो यहाँ में, so 2 into 0 क्या आ गया 0, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 1 2, 0 6 2 2 4. Okay, I am just writing directly. But one step you can write 2 into 0 एक बार लिख सकते हो, but it's not necessary. So it is simply about the application of scalar multiplication. Understood? You have to multiply the scalar to every element of the matrix to get the result. Fine. Similarly, 3b is also find out. 3 into b. B का value matrix का दिया हुआ है. So 3 into b is this. So 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. So in this way we can multiply the element. The scalar 3 to the every element of the matrix to get the result as 363 630 009. Okay, now we ultimately got the values of 2a and 3. So next step is what? You have to add the values of 2a plus 3. So 2a plus 3b equal to 2a का value यहाँ में लिखा matrix plus 3b का value यहाँ में लिखा. Now the result gives 3 10 0 8 3 6 2 2 13. How can you get this result? Okay, so listen carefully. That means in this line we just add the two matrices 0 4 0 2 0 6 2 2 4 with 3 6 3 6 3 0 and 0 0 9. Now addition is possible over here because the matrices to be added are of same order. First thing, ये मैंने बताया था एक बार जब एडिशन समझा रहा था। तो दो मैट्रिक्स का एडिशन होगा या सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा कब पॉसिबल होगा? इफ द मैट्रिसेस कंटेन्स द सेम ऑर्डर। सो यहाँ में you can see here this matrix of order 3 by 3 and this matrix is also of order 3 by 3. That means we can add the two matrices. That is the first thing is that. Okay, next what is the rule or how can you add? जैसे कि हम लोगों ने स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में स्केलर को एवरी एलिमेंट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया, बट हियर हाउ कैन यू ऐड द टू मैट्रिसेस? यू हैव टू डू व्हाट? See, you have to do just you have to add the corresponding elements, nothing else. You have to add the corresponding elements of the two matrices. That is 0 plus 3 first. So 0 plus 3 is what? 3. Then 4 plus 6, that is equals to 10. Then 0 plus again 3, that is 0. So first row का हो गया. Then second row का आ गया अभी 2 plus 6 is 8. 0 plus 3 is 3. 6 plus 0 is 6. Similarly, last row is what? 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. Then 4 plus 9 is 9. Understood? So this is the rule for addition. पहले तो तुम लोग को देखना होगा जो दो मैट्रिसेस तुम लोग ऐड कर रहे हो और सब्ट्रैक्ट भी करोगे वो सेम ऑर्डर का है कि नहीं. फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू डू व्हाट? ऐड द करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द मैट्रिसेस. और इफ इट इज अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन then subtract the corresponding elements of the matrices, nothing else. So second question तुम लोग देख सकते हो. You just see the second question.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yeah.
Sir, the solution of the first question, the first row should be 3, 10 and 3.
3. Oh yeah. Sorry. 3, 10 and 3. Yeah. 3, 10, 0 is written. Very good. Thank you. 3, 10 and 3. Very good.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, 0 plus 3 is 3. Yes. Okay, then next, go to the next one. 3a minus 4b you have to find out. Again, scalars are multiplied over here, then subtraction. So यहाँ में हम लोगों ने डायरेक्ट लिख दिया. So 3 into a का वैल्यू है मैट्रिक्स minus 4 into the value of the matrix b. So 3 is a scalar, is multiplied with the matrix, so multiply to the every element. So 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into 6, 0, 3, 0, 9. In this way, we can get the matrix by multiplying the scalar of the matrix. Minus similarly multiply 4 with the matrix 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 3 to get the result. Then see this line will appear. So 0, 6, 0, 3, 0, 0, 9, 3, 3, 3, 6. Now we can subtract these two matrices. Why? Because the two matrices are of the same order. The main thing is that. Okay. So what is the rule for subtraction? You just subtract element by element, that is the corresponding elements. So 0 minus 4 is minus 4, 6 minus 8 is minus 2, 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Similarly, go to the second row, 3 minus 8 is minus 5, 0 minus 4 is minus 4, 9 minus 0 is 9, then 3 minus 0 is 3, 2 minus 0 is 3, and 6 minus 12 is minus. Who is talking? Excuse me? Who is talking? Juganto Das and Rohit Hazarika. You just mute your microphones. Okay. So, understood the problem for addition and subtraction? That is, with this problem, I just elaborate the application of addition, subtraction as well as the scalar multiplication. Understood? Or any questions regarding the addition, subtraction and multiplication? Anyone? Any query? Hello?
No, sir.
No.
Yes,
It's very
sir.
simple addition, subtraction.
Oh, sir.
Addition, subtraction and in scalar multiplication, there is not so much to do, but yes, problems will arises in case of matrix multiplication. That will need more concept to do the problems of matrix multiplication. Okay. Now go to the next problem. Yeah. See, it's a different one, but still a problem for addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now, what is given here? you have to find the values of A and B, but the given conditions are what? 3A minus twice B is given, that is a 2 by 2 matrix, and minus 4A plus B is given, that is also a what? 2 by 2 order matrix. So from these two equations, see, first we have to mark the first equation as 1, and minus 4A plus B equal to minus 1, 2, minus 4, 3 is marked as equation number 2. So before going to the matrix concept, you already have done in class 9 or 10 or simply in 8 by this this type of equations actually can be solved easily, no? Because see, A and B are the two unknowns, two equations are there, so you can easily simplify to find the values of A and B. ओके, राइट हैंड साइड में जो मैट्रिक्स दिया है उसके बदले में अगर कोई सिंगल नंबर दे दिया जाए तो यू कैन इजीली सिंप्लीफाई दैट because you already got the methods for simplifying the unknowns, isn't it? In class 7, 8, 9, 10, simultaneous equations, isn't it? So that same concept should be used here, but the main thing is what? The right hand side term in both equation 1 and 2 are the same order matrices. वही difference. बाकी सब तुम लोगों ने already in class 7, 8, 9, 10 you have discussed this kind of problems. So what is the process? To find the values of the unknowns, the elimination method we can use here. So for that particular method, what we have done, we have to multiply the equation number 2 by number 2. Why? Because after multiplied equation number 2 by the number 2, what will you have? Minus 8A plus twice B equal to 2 into that matrix, minus 1, 2, minus 4, 3. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 4, minus 8, 6. That is the application of scalar multiplication. So we got that, we marked that equation by 3. So now what? You just have to add equation 1 and 3. Why? If you add 1 and 3, the term twice B will be cancelled, isn't it? So 3A plus minus 8A is minus 5A. Then 2, 1, minus 2, minus 1 is added with what? This matrix, minus 2, 4, minus 8, 6. So left hand side में कुछ भी क्या करने वाला नहीं है, right hand side में 10 add कर दो. Addition is possible again here because the two matrices are of the same order. So 2 plus minus 2 is 0, 1 plus 4 is 5, minus 2 plus minus 8 is minus 10, minus 1 plus 6 is 5. So left hand side contains minus 5A, right hand side contains the matrix 0, 5, minus 10, 5. Okay. Now after this step, what we require the value of A. So for that, this minus 5 goes downwards, but in matrix multiplication, there is no procedure for dividing group. So minus 5 जो नीचे आएगा मैट्रिक्स के, उसको हम लोगों ने minus 1 by 5 लिख दिया. That is same thing. If you write minus 1 by 5, then this minus 1 by 5 is behaving like a scalar because division is not occurred in matrices. So minus 5 को नीचे लाने से क्या हो जाएगा? ये minus 1 by 5 हो जाएगा, and that is behaving like a scalar. You have to multiply the scalar with the matrix 0, 5, minus 1. So multiply with every element. Minus 1 by 5 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 by 5 into 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 by 5 into minus 10 is what? 2. Then minus 1 by 5 into 5 is minus. Okay. So in this way, we got the values of A. Fine. Now, how can you get the value of B then? Just plot the value of A in any of the equations. So यहाँ में मैंने equation 1 में put कर दिया A का value. So equation 1 contains what? 3A minus twice B ना? So 3 into A का value put कर दिया 0 minus 1 this minus twice B. Same ये जो है 2 minus 1 1 ये रह गया ऐसे ही. So next step is what? हम लोगों को क्या चाहिए? The value of B. So value of B is taken to be in the left hand side. And right hand side में देखो 2 1 minus 2 minus 1 is same minus ये जो स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन है मैंने डायरेक्टली कर दिया, that is 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 3 into 2 is 6, then 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. So in this way you can subtract this to get the value as 2 4 minus 8 2. Okay. So finally we get the values of B as what? Same process. B का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए minus 2 को नीचे लाना होगा and that minus 2, if it comes below, then it behaving like a scalar, that is minus half. So you just multiply minus half to every element of 2, 4, minus 2 to get the result as minus 1, minus 2, 4, and minus 1. Just multiply minus half with 2, which what? Minus 1. Minus half into 4 is minus 2. Minus half into minus 8 is what? 4. And minus half into 2 is minus 1. Okay? So very simple problem. Fine? Any problem? Any problem regarding this question?
No, sir.
It's very simple. Just the
No,
simplification.
sir.
Okay. Okay, then are going to move to the last question. It is almost similar to the question that I have discussed earlier. That is the question number 1. Okay, but it is given in a slightly different manner, nothing else. So, what is given in the question? Given 3 into, that is 3 is a scalar, it is multiplied with the matrix what? X, Y, Z, W equals to right hand side, sorry, right hand side contains 2 matrices which are added. No? So one of the matrices is x6 minus 1 2w plus 4x plus y, z plus w and 3. So this is given to you, and from here you have to find the values of the unknowns x, y, z and w. So अगर अननोन का वैल्यू निकालना है तो पहले तो तुम लोग को देखना होगा कि the matrices given are equal or not. So यहाँ में हम लोग वही चेक करेंगे पहले. So given is written over here. Now what we need to do the simplification part first. So पहले तो 3 जो स्केलर मल्टीप्लाई करो सभी एलिमेंट के साथ. 3 into x is 3, 3 into y is 3y, 3z 3w. Okay, left hand side is done. Now what we have to do in the right hand side part? See, these 2 matrices are of order 2 by 2, so this can be added. Add करने में क्या होगा? X is add with the element 4 ना, corresponding elements. So x plus 4 is, that is x plus 4. Then next was what? 6 plus x plus y, that is x plus y plus 6, same thing. Then what is the next one? Minus 1 plus z plus w, corresponding elements added. And the last one is 2w plus 3. So finally, if you give it as mark 1, in equation 1, you can see that the left hand side and the right hand side matrices are of the same order. You can see left hand side matrix contains what? The order is 2 by 2, and in the right hand side part, the matrix is also of order 2 by 2. So from equation 1, you can say that the matrices are equal, given in 1. Okay. So what you have to do then? If the matrices are equal, then according to the equality of concept, the corresponding elements should be same. So what are the corresponding elements over here? 3x equal to x plus 4. So from there, if you are to solve this, twice x equal to 4, then x equal to 2. Next, 3y equals to x plus y plus 6. So already we got the value of x. You just put it over here and simplify it to get the value of y is equals to 4. Then next corresponding element is what? Okay, you have chosen anyone. 2w plus 3 equal to 3w you can write first, or you can write 3z equal to minus 1 plus z plus w. So here I have written 2w plus 3 equal to 3w to get the simplified form as what? W equal to 3. Now another corresponding element is what? 3z equal to minus 1 plus z plus w. You have to put the value of w equal to 3 over here and simplify it to get the values of z equals to 1. So finally, what are the values we have got? X equal to 2, y equal to 4, z equal to 1, and w equal to 3. Okay. So you can easily check these results by plotting in the given form. Given form equation 1 में भी put कर सकते हो तुम, ठीक है? So if you plot the values of x, y, z and w in equation 1, then whether the equation is balanced or not, we want to check. So what is the rule? देखो यहाँ में x equal to 2 put करो 3 के साथ 6 हो जाएगा ना, 6. In the right hand side corresponding element x equal to 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, so 6 equal to 6. Similarly, value of y is 4, so 12. X का value 3 है, y का value 4 है, नहीं, x का value 2 है ना, 2, y का value 4, so 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. So in the similar way, we can plot the values of Z and W in the equation and getting the equation to be balanced. Okay, so these are the 4 simple problems which are mainly based on what the types of matrices as well as the equality of matrices. So these problems you have to see mainly for your examination, upcoming sessional exam also. So before sessional exam, मेरे को और क्लास थोड़ा मिलेगा सर. So last class we have ended the theory part in what symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So in the next class we will do some problems of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Okay, and from that part and today's problems, these problems will come in your sessional exam. Fine? Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
If you have
Okay,
seen
sir.
any problems regarding today's problems, then you can easily discuss with me in the WhatsApp. Okay. So next class, I think on Friday, I will take it and discuss the problems of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Fine. Okay. So let me stop this share section.
Okay, sir.
So just send your what